Namaste friends, I am Dr. Shashidhar Hasnadka. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to talk about the practice and benefits of Jalniti. Jalniti is also called as anterior nasal wash. It is mentioned in Hatha Yoga Pradipika. There are 6 cleansing processes or Shatkriyas. Jalniti is one among them. Here we use lukewarm saline water to clean the nasal passage. So it is very useful in this difficult time of pandemic. By the practice of Jalniti, any microorganisms which enter our nasal passage are killed instantly because it is a hypertonic solution. We just need a Jalniti pot and lukewarm saline water. Filling the Jalniti pot, you have to pass lukewarm saline water from one nostril to the other nostril, so it cleanses the entire anterior nasal mucosa. It is very useful in case of common cold and sneezing, different allergies, sinusitis, headache, and it also increases the eyesight. Those who have bleeding tendency from the nose or epistaxis, they should not practice Jalniti. One can get porcelain ceramic Jalniti pot online or stainless steel or plastic Jalniti pots from yoga centers. Keep warm water ready in a vessel and also common salt or iodized salt. Take 1 spoon of salt in a big glass, add warm water into it. Adjust the temperature by adding cool water. Then mix it thoroughly. If salt is more, you may feel little burning, and if water is hot, one may feel little pain. Fill the lukewarm saline water to Jalniti pot for the practice. One can practice using wash basin. I prefer to practice outdoor. Stand firmly, bend little forward, tilt the head to side, adjust the neti pot to the nostril so that water does not leak there. Keep the mouth open for normal breathing. As the water flows from the other nostril, allow it to pass freely by adjusting the posture so that water does not enter the throat or ear. All the dirt and mucus are cleaned from the nose. Take a towel and clean the nose, fill the pot with more saline water and repeat the same procedure from the other side. Make sure that you first start the Jalniti practice from the nostril which is not blocked, so that it removes the mucus block from the other nostril. After the practice, clean gently to remove the mucus coming from nostrils. Now inhale from mouth and exhale from nostrils to remove all the water droplets from the nose. You may also practice from alternate nostrils. Now you have to practice Kapalabhati to clean up the nostrils thoroughly for 1 or 2 minutes. Children can start practicing Jalniti at 3 years of age with parents' supervision. They may practice whenever possible for common cold, sinusitis, allergies, and during viral fevers. For better results, one may add 1 spoon of Goarka to saline water. In case of dust or pollen allergies, one may practice Sutraniti after Jalniti for excellent results. In chronic conditions, for better result, one may practice Jalniti twice a day for 3 to 6 months and then do it once or twice a week. But remember, begin the practice by taking guidance from a yoga teacher or experts. Friends, this is about the practice of Jalniti. If you have any queries, please let us know. Thank you for watching.